In this problem, we are going to draw this isosceles triangle using the given information as AB equal to 8, AC and BC equal to 6. Then we're going to reduce the height of the triangle as per the given instruction. Then find the area of the modified triangle. So first, make sure that ortho is on. You can click that ortho here if it is not already on. You can also press F8 from the keyboard. Then let's take the cursor to object snap and make sure that a check mark is placed next to intersection. Alright, so let's click the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move right, type 8, press enter, and then right click, click cancel. So this is our line AB. Now let's go to the circle tool area, click that little down arrow, click center radius option, and click the left end of line AB and type 6, press enter. Right click, repeat, click on repeat circle, click the right end of this same line AB and type 6 again, press enter. So these two circles intersected at that point, that is our point C of triangle ABC. So click on the line tool, click the left end of line AB, click that intersection point, and then click point B on line AB. Right click, cancel to exit from the line tool. Now click on these two circles, select them, and press delete from the keyboard. Now make sure that it's still your ortho is on. We're going to select line AC and line BC. Now click that square grip and move your cursor down and type 2, because you have to reduce the height by 2 units. Type 2, press enter. Now press escape and join all three sides of this modified triangle. Type join, press enter, make a selection box to select all three sides of the triangle, press enter. Now click this triangle. Now this is converted to a polyline since we joined all three sides of this triangle. Left click on the triangle, then right click and click on properties. So it's going to give us the area of this modified triangle, 9.8885.